So after adding the reference, we can use the assembly and all its method in our current application employee test using employee. And here I am taking a lot of variables. So we enter the basic TADHRA. After inputting, we try to call the calculate gross salary method, which is available in your employee class of employee namespace, and these all are a part of employee assembly. So calculate gross salary will calculate the basic TADHRA and returning the gross salary, and that will come and store in a GS, and similarly GD and net, and then we display the value. And for reading the assembly informations, we are creating here a assembly info methods. This is a static method, so it calls to the class name. So this is your namespace dot class name dot assembly info. Once this method is invoked, we try to collect the information about the assembly, employee dot app employee, and all the information coming and stored in a type T. Then we are interested to collect the informations about the different method whichever is available on that assembly. For that we are using get method. This method may not work if you are not importing this namespace. So for getting the benefit of the get methods, you have to import this namespace. So all the assembly informations, if you are interested to get the information about the assembly, so you have to using system.reflection namespace. All the methods are coming and store in the method info array. User inherit from object class. As we know that all class are inherit from object class. At the end, we try to see all the method informations by using for each loop. Let's see the applications. So here our application is there. You just go in this way, new and project, and choose console application and give the application name. So I am giving the application name as employee test. If you build this application now, it will throws you errors because this namespace is not available. So if you want to get the help of this namespace, so we have to add the reference of the employee.dll assembly in this project. For that, right click on reference, add reference, then choose employee, click on OK. Now you build the applications, build succeeds, run it. Whichever is so these three are a user defined method, and get type toString equals guess hard scores is a system defined method, which the method is defined in an object class. So we try to start with a very interesting topic, datasets. Till now we end it. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.